To create a custom weldment profile, the first step is to create a sketch of the profile. Be sure to add a point at any location you would like to locate the profile on your weldment sketch from. In this case, I've made this rail profile for automated guided vehicles. Now that my sketch is fully defined, the next step is to choose File and then Save As. So from the drop-down menus, I'm going to choose Save As. Next, I'm going to navigate to where I would like the profile saved. So in my case, I'm going to navigate to my D drive. I'm going to scroll down to Weldments. And I'm going to put it in my ISO profile folder. And in this profile folder, I'm going to create a new folder called Special. And inside that special, I'm going to save this. And I'm going to save it as 13_28. The next thing I want to do before I click OK is for the file type. So I'm going to expand this. And I'm going to tell it this is a library feature part. Now I want to be careful here because SolidWorks, as soon as I switch the file type, will switch the location of where it's saving to its default design library. So again, I'm going to go back to where my previous one was. So in my special folder, make sure the name is correct. That's saving as a library feature part, and I'm going to tell it to save that. I'm going to get this warning, and I'm going to select No, so it saves it as it is. At this point, there should be an L over the sketch to let me know it's a library part feature. If there isn't, I'm going to right-click on the sketch, and I'm going to tell it to add it to the library. Now it is a library part feature. I'm going to resave it, and I've created my own custom weldment profile.